Hello everyone, today we're gonna solving a Leetcode daily questions, that is 3074 Apple Redistribution walk into boxes. So we are given an apple of n size array, this is of n size, and capacity of m size. This we are provided. So we have to find the number of total storage of boxes so that we can store all these apples of different size. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have an apple that is 1 3 2. So we have to find the total size of these apples so that we can store into capacity of these boxes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a sum of apple to 1 plus 3 plus 2, that's gonna be a 6. So we need to find the boxes which can store apple of size 6. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a check of which make up to a sum greater than or equal to the sizes of the apple of the total size. So we're gonna check this string of capacity we are given 3 1 2 5 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna sort them so we can get the maximum sum in a one go. So we can, if we sort them, so we're gonna get 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is about the final array. Now from this array we have to find the sum so that it could be equal to or greater than the sum of the apple. So we're gonna create a sum of cap, or we can say a box. So sum of cap equals to 5. So we're gonna iterate through all over this capacity final array. So we're gonna get 5, that is also less than 6, so we cannot get that. Now again iteration, we have to add on, so equals to 5 plus 4, that is obviously greater than 6. So we can use these two boxes. We have to also create an account in array equals to 0 so that we can count on every iterate how many boxes are required. So here cnt equals to 0 initially, but from this 5 we can get a cnt plus 1, so get plus 1 of, we can get 5. So we can do we have to again iterate, then we can get two iterations, like I equal to 2, so we can get 0 plus 1 plus 2 of count, so we can get 2 of count, right? So how we're gonna call this, we have to create three simple variables. First we have to create sum of apples, that gonna sum of all the apples. We have to get sum of capacity so that we can get all the capacity. Before capacity getting, we have to sort this array mandatorily. So this is our second step. This is our third step, and also after this we can get our final count. We can create box count. If sum of apples is less than equal to sum of capacity, then we can return our cnt, and this would be the final answer, or else if not, then return 0. This will be our approach. So let's code it up. So we start coding up this question. So we can get our int so these are our three variables. Now we have to find the overall sum of the apple. The sum equal to 0 less than now for this we have to also we have already created as apple, so we're gonna add that on. So from here we can get the final size of an array. Now we have to sort the array of capacity. So but remember, we have to sort this in descending order to get the proper solution and minimum boxes, because we have given a minimum boxes. So we have to check greater. Now again we have to check for the capacity, so we're gonna run again a while loop. This time it is capacity dot size. Now this time we have to add s cap plus equal to capacity of I, because we have already sorted. Now after this adding, we have to check and also increment the count. So count plus plus, and then check if s of apple is less than equal to capacity of the box, then we can return the count. Else we don't need to return anything, so we can return 0. This is our final code. Oh, into 0, okay. So let's submit. So yep, this will be our final solution. Thank you.